Okay, so it's been a while since I've done some back testing or posted a video. So we're starting with a brand new system, which is going to be a VWAP and EMA. I believe this is a 21, a 15, and a 12 EMA, all mushed in together into one. So it has just two bands with a color crossover. And then VWAP, the volume weighted average price. So the system for this one is 15-minute on Bitcoin, obviously. The trade type, we have that in there technically. Entry is going to be candle close above or below both the VWAP and EMA. I didn't put it in here because it's going to be extra words, but it's also with the green and red crossover chains confirmation. So far, it seems like, just by looking at it, consolidation points are not the best entries because there's a bit of a chop. As you can see right here, it was quick in and out. Some spots not even for entries, some are stop out entries. But when it's pumping or jumping, or if it's in an uptrend, downtrend, it it so far looks to have some good returns. Well, at least this one setup does. So you have a short, and you have it close below both this candle here. It closes both beneath the VWAP and the EMAs, but you have to wait for this candle to close onto this one for it to get a confirmation of the crossover of the ribbons for the color change. So here would be a stop here, and then to get closed out would be at the close of has to be both, so yeah, it would be this one because it has to be the color change as well. So on this candle, on the close of it, this one, sorry, I gotta put it there. That would be a 2.23 return, which is not too bad. Not too bad if you put your stop loss at your previous swing high, swing low, which is what I'm doing. Kind of sticking with that. I kind of like that one. I'm not to go into order blocks or anything like that. I don't want to make it too difficult at the moment. We're going to stick with something easy. Something nice and easy. I gotta take a drink. My mouth is super dry. Okay, that's better. So I've already kind of started here, but I'm not too sure if I've messed up, so I'm kind of just going back to reiterate it at the moment. So this one was the 415. Sorry, 445. So no, this one was the wrong one for the short because it didn't close beneath the EMA. So this one would have been a loss, but luckily in the back testing will get you in the correct mindset of putting in the correct way to enter the trade, not do a mistaken entry like that would have been there. But that's the second one, so obviously it was not a direct close call or direct perfect entry. But this one here on the long, so it's closed above the VWAP, closed above the EMAs, and the EMAs have crossed over. You see the green there. So this would be the long entry, and then stop loss at the swing low here. Always you can go to the line chart if you want to ensure that you're at the correct spot. And then this entry is at 22, 21, 1. I did not put that in correctly. I did actually. Okay. And this one's a long. We'll spell it correctly. It's on Bitcoin. I'm kind of doing this in jumbled style right now. I think it's at like, this one's at 5, right? Stop loss is at 2169. And now we just click play. Let me spread this out so these are out of the way so I can have some better visual. So I'm just going to go one count second at a time because it's still a new setup for me, so I have to ensure I can see when the VWAP resets at 8. Or, no, that's 8 at night, so that'll be at 1600, I believe. Or no, that's 20 o'clock, technically. I don't do 24-hour time, so it confuses me. So. Okay, so that's an obvious. It pushed right through the stop loss, and it also closed beneath both of them. So that one was a stop out. Holy shit. So now. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Had to push back up. Again. Again. Ooh, okay, right there. So all three of our confirmations for entry. We have our closing under the EMA with the crossover, the EMA turning it into the red for a short. And we also have closing under the VWAP. Beautiful. Okay, so this would be the short entry here. And then we put our stop loss at the swing high. Remember, go to the line chart to ensure. Go up here. Bitcoin. February. The 1st at 7:45. This one is a short trade at 2163. Stop loss at 22.23.5. The next candle could stop us out very easily. Oh! Has to be a crossover though, or right for the EMAs now. Aye! That one just pushed through. Just do a samurai. Aye! 1, 2, 3. Well, so far it's not looking good, but you never know. The first 5 trades could be complete dog shit. The next 7 could just be a banger, 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 banger of like 5-hour return, 3-hour return, 1-hour return, 0.5 return, 2.5 return. Like they could just stack it up. You never know. That's why you do your testing. Oh, it looks like next candle is going to be a possible long entry. Yep. Enter long here. Oh, look at that stop loss. That's a safe one. That's quite a safe stop loss, isn't it? At 9 o'clock. What are we on, long? Yeah. It is 22.66.4. Stop loss at 20.42. Okay. 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 See, look at this. Look at this. We're just gonna. Wait, hold the phone. We're just gonna do that. We're just gonna already do. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Who is this guy? What's his name? Where's he from? No, he's from a good place. Yeah, he's from a great place. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's crazy. He's crazy. Look at this guy. He's insane, man. What's his name? Look at that. Okay, so look. So we had the daily reset on the VWAP here. So I'm just gonna put that up to where we're at. Don't even look at that. Don't even look at that yet. We're gonna cover that up. If you didn't see it, don't rewind. Don't look at it. So we have the daily reset. So now the VWAP is shifted above the EMAs. In this instance, I'm not too sure what is going to happen or how to exit on this trade exactly. But I guess the rule is I have to wait for the EMAs now. I don't know. See, this is the confusing part. Luckily, this is what? Oh, I uncovered it. This is the fourth trade. Fourth trade. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fourth trade. And the take profit rule is candle close above / below both the VWAP and EMA. And like technically this is a candle close above both of them, but like I don't know. Oh no. Okay, no, I figured it out. So okay. So I guess even if the EMAs are underneath the VWAP, if the close red and the candle still closes underneath both of them, then that's an exit. Okay. I figured this out now. So we're just gonna let this play out. Okay. So now we're waiting for the bands to change to red, which is gonna be right. There we go. There we go. Oh, I guess not. The next candle. Yeah. Okay. There we go. So right there. Look at that. So before we, actually no, we'll put it in now. 30, 73, 5. Look at that. It's already made up for the 3 losses and 0.5. Come on. Oh, actually, sorry. This was only a half loss because it switched before it hit the stop loss. So, as you can see, it closed beneath both of them because it was in the long, so it has to go below them, beneath both of them, and the EMAs cross over into a different color, indicating all 3 confirmations for the exit. Beautiful. We're going to keep playing this strat on until we hit all 100 back tests, and then we'll see what the results of this going to be. But we'll do one more here, and then we'll end the video. But this right here will be a short entry with a super tight stop loss. Super tight stop loss. But that just means if it dumps, money. But we're most likely going to get stopped out. Most likely. But we can't not go into the trade just because we see a tight stop. Still go into the trade because it's the entry for the setup. If you don't, like I said, if you don't enter it and all of a sudden it just dumps without wicking above, that's insane. And it holds that it holds it into a downtrend, back into this consolidation point for a liquidity grab, and the EMAs cross over down here. With that little bit of a stop loss, already this right here is a 5-hour return, just under. If I put it down to here, 42. Sorry, 45. 45. Look at that. Look at that. So, always do your back test. Always do your back test. Don't fucking skip out on it. But we have to enter this in it. So it's at 23.15.
Yeah, no need to fear. My boy with Voltec.
What's the entry? 30.73.5. Their stop loss. Tight ass one. 30.96.3. Alright. Alright, we're gonna do this just one candle because I got a little, I got a feeling it's gonna get this. Oh. Look. Okay, so you got stopped out, but look, you had potential. She winked at you for a minute. She winked at you, but then you realized it wasn't to you and it was to the person behind you. And you had to walk away with that shameful look because you winked back, and then she was like, ew, not you, what the fuck? So you took the hard stop before you got slapped because you would have started hitting on her, you know what I mean? Because you could have been down here, you could have just been, wait, hold up. You could have been all the way down below. You could have been like at a 6, and you'd been like, come here, honey, and then well, bam, even a harder stop. You could have been slapped. This was a soft landing. That was a soft one. So, be grateful for what you got. Be grateful for what you got. But yeah, we're gonna keep back testing this. Keep developing your systems. Keep going forward. Keep having fun. And enjoy.